We combined two of our favorite game day appetizers into a spicy, cheesy buffalo wing pizza with a twist. It's called Volcano Pizza, and I doubt you've ever had something like this. Listen, I know you've heard about those stuffed crust pizzas, those loaded deep dish pizza pies. There's even this crazy cake pizza floating around on the internet, but I promise you've never seen or had anything like this. So we're gonna start with our pizza dough. We've allowed this to rest for about 30 minutes before handling. And you guys can probably tell I'm a little under the weather today, but I can't wait to make this pizza, so I'm just gonna wash my hands. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees and then place an oven-safe ramekin on top of your non-stick pizza pan. Then we're gonna flatten the dough into a large enough circle to cover both the ramekin and the pizza pan. Lay it on top and then mold the center of the dough in and around the ramekin. Then pierce the dough with a fork in a few places and brush the entire thing with olive oil. All right, so now that our crust is done, we're gonna make our sauce, and it starts with a ton of heat from our buffalo sauce. Into a sauce pot, we'll mix together our wing sauce, tomato paste, and blue cheese just until everything is combined. This smells so good. I love buffalo wing sauce. All right, so now that this is heated through, I'm just gonna add in our basil. All right, so now that our sauce is ready, we're gonna take it off the heat and spread it all around our pizza dough. But don't pour any in the middle. That's where our volcano is gonna be. Once the sauce is down, we're gonna top it with our mozzarella cheese, our 4-cheese blend, chicken, red onions, and then more crumbled blue cheese. Then we're gonna pop this into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the dough is golden brown. All right, and then while that's cooking, we're gonna make my buffalo chicken dip. Now this is my go-to signature appetizer. There are so many things I love about this dip. It's cheesy, it's spicy, it's addicting, it's filling, it's practically a meal within itself. But I mean, people love this dip. If I show up empty-handed at any party without it, there's riots, it's that good. So we're gonna take our medium-sized sauce pot and heat together our cream cheese, wing sauce, ranch dressing, shredded chicken, and cheddar cheese until it's nice and smooth. Wow, this pizza looks incredible. Now I'm just gonna fill the middle bowl with the buffalo chicken dip. Garnish with carrots, celery, a drizzle of ranch dressing, and then add a few sprigs of basil to the dip. Slice this bad boy up and serve immediately. This pizza looks fantastic. There is so much going on. It's like sensory overload, but it's so good. I mean, it's kind of like the pizza is a chip for the dip, and the dip's like a topping for the pizza. Either way, this looks delicious and I cannot wait another minute. All right, I think this piece is calling my name. Ooh, dippity dip. Oh my God. This dip is so good. And guys, it's not just for game day. You can make it any time of the year. So I wanna know when you're gonna serve it for your friends. Let me know in the comment box below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pop Sugar Food and give us some love on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm Brandy and I'm just gonna keep eating this volcano pizza. Bye.